I used to throw away more eggs than I cooked. I'd crack them into the water and watch them fall apart into a horrible white mess. The yolk would break, the timing would be off, and I'd end up with something that looked nothing like the beautiful poached eggs I was hoping for. If that sounds familiar, this video is for you. My name is Margaret, and welcome back to the 5-Minute Senior Kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you how to make perfect poached eggs every single time in just 5 minutes. No mess, no broken yolks, no rubbery whites, just beautiful, silky, restaurant quality poached eggs right in your own kitchen. And stick around because at the end, I'm sharing something about eggs that most seniors have never heard, and it might completely change how often you eat them. Now, before we start, let me tell you why poached eggs are actually the best way a senior can eat eggs. And I mean that seriously. When you fry an egg, you add oil or butter, which adds unnecessary fat and calories. When you scramble eggs, you often overcook them, destroying some of the nutrients in the process. But poaching uses nothing but water. No added fat, no high heat. Just gentle, slow cooking that preserves every single nutrient in that egg perfectly. For seniors managing their weight, their cholesterol, or their heart health, poached eggs are genuinely the gold standard. And once you know my method, they're just as easy as any other way of cooking eggs. Here's the beautiful thing about today's recipe. You only need 3 things: 2 fresh eggs, and I want to talk about why fresh matters in just a moment. A splash of white vinegar, just 1 teaspoon, and water. That's it. 3 ingredients, 5 minutes. Perfect poached eggs. Let's go. Fill a small saucepan with about 3 inches of water. Place it on medium heat and bring it to a gentle simmer, not a rolling boil, a gentle simmer. You want to see small bubbles rising slowly from the bottom. That's your sweet spot. While your water is heating up, crack each egg individually into a small cup or ramekin. This is the step that most people skip, and it's exactly why their eggs fall apart. Cracking directly into the water gives you no control. Cracking into a cup first lets you slide the egg in gently and perfectly every single time. Now add your teaspoon of white vinegar to the simmering water. The vinegar helps the egg whites hold together, giving you that beautiful compact shape instead of those wispy white strands floating everywhere. Take your cup with the first egg and lower it as close to the water surface as possible. Then slide it in gently. Don't drop it, slide it. You'll see the white immediately start to wrap around the yolk. That's exactly what you want. Now here's the secret to perfect timing, and this is what nobody tells you. Set your timer for exactly 3 minutes for a soft, runny yolk, 4 minutes for a slightly firmer yolk, and 5 minutes if you prefer it fully set. Remember those numbers, they will never fail you. While your first egg is cooking, slide in your second egg the same way. Gently, slowly, close to the surface. Now just watch. Don't touch them, don't stir, don't panic, just let the water do its work. When your timer goes off, use a slotted spoon to carefully lift your egg out of the water. Let it drain for just a few seconds over the pot. Then place it gently on a piece of folded kitchen paper to absorb any excess water. And just like that, we're done. Look at that. A perfect poached egg, silky white on the outside, and if we just cut into it, look at that yolk. Gorgeous, golden and perfectly runny. No broken yolks, no rubbery whites, no egg falling apart in the water. Just beautiful restaurant quality poached eggs made right in your own kitchen in 5 minutes. Before we get to the health tip, tell me something. Have you ever tried poaching eggs before and given up? Drop a comment below and tell me what went wrong. I read every single comment, and I'd love to help you troubleshoot. You are not alone. Poached eggs have defeated many people before today. Now let me share the 3 mistakes that ruin poached eggs for most seniors, because avoiding these is the difference between success and that horrible white mess we talked about at the beginning. Mistake number 1, using a rolling boil instead of a gentle simmer. A rolling boil is too aggressive. It throws the egg around the water and tears the whites apart before they have a chance to set. Always, always, always use a gentle simmer. Small bubbles only. This one change fixes 90% of poached egg problems instantly. Mistake number 2, cracking the egg directly into the water. I cannot stress this enough. Cracking directly into the water from a height gives you zero control over where the egg lands and how it disperses. Always crack into a small cup first and slide it in close to the surface. Every professional chef does this, and now so do you. Mistake number 3, skipping the vinegar. I know some recipes say vinegar is optional, but for seniors who are still learning the technique, it is not optional. That small teaspoon of vinegar is what holds your egg whites together and gives you that beautiful compact shape. Use it every time until you feel completely confident without it. Now here's what I promised you at the beginning, and I think this is going to genuinely surprise you. For years, decades even, seniors were told to limit their egg consumption because of concerns about cholesterol. Many of you probably grew up being told that eggs were bad for your heart and that you should only eat 2 or 3 a week at most. Well, the science has changed significantly. Modern nutritional research has shown that for most healthy adults, including seniors, dietary cholesterol from eggs has very little impact on blood cholesterol levels. Your liver actually produces cholesterol on its own. And when you eat cholesterol from food, your liver simply produces less to compensate. The two largely balance each other out. What eggs do have in abundance is an extraordinary nutritional profile that is almost uniquely perfect for seniors. 2 eggs give you 12 grams of complete protein. They contain lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 powerful antioxidants that protect your eyes against macular degeneration, which is one of the leading causes of vision loss in seniors. They're rich in choline, a nutrient that supports brain health and memory, and they contain vitamin D, which most seniors are deficient in and which is critical for bone health and immune function. Poached eggs preserve all of these nutrients better than any other cooking method because the low, gentle heat keeps everything intact. So if you've been avoiding eggs out of old-fashioned fear, it might be time to welcome them back to your table. Your body will thank you. As always, please consult your doctor before making any major changes to your diet. So there you have it. Perfect poached eggs in 5 minutes. And never again will you have to throw away a broken yolky mess and start over. Try this tomorrow morning and come back and tell me in the comments how it went. Did you go for 3 minutes or 4, runny yolk or firm? Let's have a conversation down there. I love hearing from our kitchen family. And if you're not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? New recipes every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday, all under 5 minutes, all made with you in mind. Next time, we're making something that seniors tell me they haven't eaten in years because they thought it was too complicated to make at home. I think you're going to be very pleasantly surprised. Until then, take care of yourself. You deserve it. See you next time.